Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chef Devid iacopelli and thank you so much for watching. Please share and like, and don't forget to subscribe and press the like button, no? Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be cooking my own style Filipino ground beef picadillo. Here are the ingredients. We have salt, black pepper, garlic, onions, peppers, mixed vegetables, banana sauce, ground beef, and potatoes. Then we put some garlic, minced garlic. We mix it. We mix it all over. Okay, now we add the ground beef. And we cut it all over. We break it. Small pieces. Okay, now we mix it for a little bit. And then we cover it for 3 minutes. Okay, now we add some salt. And then we add some pepper. Like this. And then we mix it. And we cover it for 2 minutes. Then we add the Filipino sauce, banana ketchup. We add everything. And we mix it. We mix it all over the. Mix it all over the ground beef. Okay, we mix it and then we cover it for 2 minutes. We cover it for 2 minutes. Then we put some potatoes. And we mix it. And then we cover it for 3 minutes. We put the bell peppers. And we mix it. And we cook it for 2 minutes. Then we put the mixed vegetables. And then we mix it all together. Alright. And then we cover it for another 2 minutes. Okay, now it's ready. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the like button.